Welcome everyone. In today's session, we are going deep into the glands of skin, one of the most fascinating yet underrated topics in human anatomy. These glands are exocrine in nature, meaning they release their substances outside the body, either on the skin surface or into hair follicles. Though they are tiny, they have huge responsibilities, controlling temperature, keeping our skin soft and moist, and even helping in immune defense. So, whether it's sweat, oil, or even earwax, these secretions are doing more than you think. Let's break them down and understand each one in detail. Before we explore the glands of the skin, let's first understand the basic structure of the skin itself because these glands are deeply rooted within it. The skin has three main layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. First, the epidermis is the outermost layer. It's made of keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, meaning it has multiple layers of flat cells that produce keratin, a protein that protects the skin. It's avascular, so it relies on the dermis for nutrients. It has several sublayers like the stratum corneum on the top, made of dead keratinized cells. Second is the stratum lucidum, present only in the thick skin like palms and soles. The granulosum, spinosum, and basal below that. Stratum basal is where new skin cells are formed, and melanocytes here produce melanin, which gives our skin color and UV protection. Next, the dermis lies beneath the epidermis. It's thicker and made of connective tissues. It contains blood vessels, nerves, and lymphatics. Also, hair follicles, erector pili muscles, and most importantly, skin glands like sweat and sebaceous glands. It divided into two parts: the papillary dermis, upper looser tissues, the reticular dermis, deeper, denser layer. And this layer gives skin its strength and flexibility. Finally, we have the hypodermis or subcutaneous layer. It's mostly fat and loose connective tissue. It provides cushioning, insulation, and store energy. It also contains larger blood vessels and nerves. Most skin glands are located in the dermis, and some may even extend into the hypodermis. Their ducts reach up to the surface and open into the hair follicles. With this foundation, now we are ready to look closely at the types of glands in the skin, starting with sweat glands. Sweat glands, medically known as ceruriferous glands or sudoriferous glands, are our body's natural air conditioners. These coiled tube-like structures extend from the dermis to the surface, releasing sweat that evaporates and cools the body. But they also help get rid of waste, keep skin moist, and even protect us from bacteria. We have two main types, eccrine and apocrine gland, each with unique features and their roles. Eccrine glands are found almost everywhere on your body but are especially concentrated on your forehead, palms, and soles. These glands open directly onto the skin and secretes a thin watery sweat that helps regulate body temperature. Even felt your palms sweating under stress. That's eccrine in action. These glands are active from the birth and are regulated by the sympathetic nervous system using a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which is interesting because most sympathetic responses are adrenergic. Now, apocrine glands are a bit different. They are found in selective areas like the armpits and groin and only become active after puberty. Their secretion is thicker and rich in proteins. It does not smell at first, but when skin bacteria feast on it, that's when body odor kicks in. These glands do not help in cooling us down. Instead, they respond to emotional stress, fear, and hormonal stimuli. Some even suggest they may play a pheromone like role in human behavior. This is side by side view clears up the differences. Eccrine glands are everywhere and work constantly to cool us. Apocrine glands are limited and more emotional. Knowing their contrasts make it easier to remember their roles in the skin. Now let's talk about the sebaceous glands, the oil factories of our skin. They are holocrine glands and meaning the whole cell bursts to release its content. These glands open into hair follicles and secrete sebum, a natural oil that moisturizes, protects the skin. These become active during the puberty thanks to androgens, and that's why teenagers often battle with acne. When these glands overproduce or get blocked, it can lead to pimples and inflammation. Now we reach the ear specialist glands, the ceruminous glands. These are modified apocrine glands only found in the external ear canal. Their secretions combine with sebum and dead cells to form cerumen or earwax. Though it may seem gross, it's actually a powerful defense mechanism, trapping dust and even repelling the insects. However, too much wax can build up and block the ear, causing hearing issues. Though not often grouped in skin glands, mammary glands are actually highly modified sweat glands. Located in the breasts, they become active in lactating females, producing milk to nourish the baby. Their function is tightly regulated by hormones like prolactin or oxytocin. They beautifully illustrate how skin glands can evolve to serve very complex biological functions. Understanding gland physiology helps explain common skin disorders from hyperhidrosis, where eccrine glands go into overdrive, to acne, where blocked sebaceous glands become inflamed, and then conditions like bromhidrosis, where apocrine sweat breaks down into foul smelling compounds or earwax impaction, which lead to hearing discomfort. These conditions remind us how crucial these glands are. To wrap up, skin glands are vital workers behind the scenes. Each type has a distinct function, but together they help us regulate temperature, fight infections, and keep the skin healthy. So, the next time you sweat or notice your skin getting oily, remember your skin glands are just doing their job. If this lecture helped you understand the glands of skin better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want a lecture on acne, sweat gland disorders, or any kind of skin diseases. Thanks for watching and keep your curiosity alive.